Good morning guys. So karon maglakaw na pud mi. To mig IKEA day. Lantaw na pud mi snow. Oh, snow. Lantaw na pud mi. Tanaw na hong ko ano, orang bulingan na. Wag snow diri dayo. Diri ka kuan tanaw ra dayo.
It's almost ice.
Yeah, it's icy. I can feel that too.
It's because it warmed up instead of snowing. It's almost raining now.
Mao ni kinabuhi diri sa Michigan day. Mao na kung magbana mo kapam day sa Michigan kung di mo ganag snow. If you don't like snow, then don't marry a man who lives in Michigan. Kay day gamay para day ha kung mag snowstorm day ikaw magbrush-brush sa imong sakyanan day. Sunod sakit ra ba sa kamot day basig magkaingong kag lami day na. Agad ni problema diri day.
Gotta die. Who's gotta die?
Aga pagara-gara gajud
Gotta.
kuan.
Is that stuttering or is that a real word?
It's a real world.
Gotta.
It's a real word.
What's gotta?
Gara-gara means like don't be ambot lab oy. Unsa man kunoy gara-gara sa English? Gara-gara means nay kaya gatong utok na ais na di na mo.
Oh yeah, okay, I get it now. It all makes sense.
Ang utok na di na mo kana kay ni gahi na tay. Ay so na ta kay katog na huy. Open?
Thought I just did.
It's not open.